Hey, what's up, team? I just wanted to show you real quickly how you can integrate Dotloop directly from CINC. So what we're going to do is we're going to look here. You see, I've got a contact record already pulled up now. All I did to do that is click on the contact. And once I'm in the contact record, I want to make sure that here on this tab, I'm under the info section. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll all the way down to the very bottom where it says Dotloop. Now you see it doesn't show anything, which could be really misleading. So the very first thing you want to do is click on the Dotloop logo. Once you click on the Dotloop logo, you'll see that it says transaction info and contact info. Now you see that the contact info shows it is loading. That means that right now it's actively pulling up all of the information that we have in the system for this contact, Brad Roton, who is a person that I'm going to be preparing the offer for. Now, it's taking a little bit longer than expected. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close out of here. I'm going to reload it one more time and see if maybe that'll help. So I'm going to click on a Dotloop, and it still shows it loading the contact information. So the other thing that we can do is always refresh the page, right? Anytime the Dotloop is going a little bit slow or CINC is going a little bit slow, I recommend you refresh the page. Just make sure any work that you have there, you've already saved it so that you don't lose it. So now we've refreshed the page. We're going to scroll all the way down and see if, in fact, we can go. Now, yes, it's loaded up. So the first thing that I want to do is I want to go ahead and I want to click on Send to Dotloop. Now, what that's going to do is it's going to put all of this contact information directly into Dotloop. Now, to create my transaction, I come in here to New Transaction, and it's going to pull up the menu for me off of my Dotloop. So on this one, I'm going to go ahead, and the first thing I want to do is I want to pick the template. Now, we have a listing loop template, a buying loop template, and a lease loop template that we use at company. For this one, I'm going to use a buying loop template. Now I'm going to come in here, and the status on this one is going to be pre-offer, right? Because I'm not under contract, I'm not under sold, and this is not an old deal that's archived. I'm representing the buyer in this transaction. Now what I want to do is I want to go ahead and I want to put in the street number. So I'm going to put in my first street number here, which is 7015. No unit on this one. This is a house, and the street name is North Leaf. So I put that in there. The zip code for this one is 77086. And the price that we're going to be offering is $45,000. Go ahead, I'm going to click create here, and it's going to start to create the loop all ready for me. Now, it's already synced this information into Dotloop. So I can click here now. It's going to open up Dotloop under my account, and now it has all this information already here ready to go. When I go ahead and I open up these contracts, it's going to have some of the information already pre-filled out for me. As you can also see under people, it has already added Brad as one of the people in this loop. Now, let's say that I want to send another offer for this same client, which in this case I do. All I would do is, again, click New Transaction. I'm going to select Buying Loop. Then I'm going to come in here and I'm going to type the same thing, the address 7403 Wood Nettle Lane. Notice I put this in the wrong field, so we'll remove that and we'll move it over here, Wood Nettle Lane. And the zip code for this one is 77086, just like the other one. Now the price that he's offering on this one is $53,000, representing the buyer and under my profile. So I'll go ahead and I'll click create, and it's going to create that loop all ready for me. Again, now I've got both of these transactions under the same name. All I have to do now, if I want to look at this loop, is click on here, and again, it'll open up the Dotloop for me already under my member ID. Everything is correct, and as you can see, it's added myself, the admin, and Brad, who is the buyer, automatically to this loop. So I wanted to share this information with you because you don't have to manually go in and type in everything every single time. You can actually go have Dotloop do it for you, and then after that, you just fill in the missing information. Hope that helps, guys. Thank you very much.